Good morning, guys. Your boy Peace right here. On the first job of the day. This is what I got, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of tree brushes in here, tree limbs, and all that nonsense in here. Look at that. This will give me a nice workout for the day. I love this type of job. It's my type of job. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this knocked out. Alright, guys? Peace out. She thinks that we're creeping up on her. Hello. What's going on, guys? I'm here at the second job of the day. We got some computer waste or some computer screen monitors you gotta get rid of. Oh, and there's that lady right there. She thinks we're stalking her. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with you? Well, yeah, let's check out this job. Alright, guys, this is what we're working with.
And computer stuff all goes.
From where?
Computer stuff and
I'll get back with y'all later. Alright, guys, we got the job. There's about a quarter load of this trailer that we got. By the way, look at this. Man, it looks pretty ugly, but hey, you gotta talk it down somehow. But yeah, we got this job for $250. It's probably a quarter load, a little over a quarter load. So, about to go and dump this and head back here and do the job. Peace out, guys. Not you again. Quit taking my money. Got back from the landfill. Man, that landfill was BS. Charged $120 for that small light load. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we're here at the second job. Just came back from that earlier estimate we did. But yeah, this is what we got. From here to there. All these computer monitors, printer. That's about it. And a few stuff in the back. We're gonna go ahead and knock these out and get right back to you guys. Peace out, guys. What's up? Your boy Peace right here, you know what I mean? The lady right here, one of my bench employees. We're about to remove a refrigerator in this nice looking house. Look how spacious that is. Windows. Oh my gosh. Open it up right here. Look at that. This is a beautiful home. Guys, if you want to buy this home here in Oklahoma City, hit my boy up Phil. He'll get you hooked up. So yeah, let me take you around for a tour. This is the living room. So the fireplace right here. The kitchen right there. This is the other. There's another room over here. Oh, look at that. It must be a library room right here. Wow. Oh, very nice. What's this in here? Oh look, it must be a interrogation room in here. So I think this is where they do the interrogation. What's this room right here? Let me check it out. Oh, that's the front door. So here, this must be another room. Like, some nice rooms over here. Man, how many bathrooms does this house have? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. This room has 3 bedrooms so far. 4, 5 bedrooms. Oh my gosh. So this house, I'm guessing is around 23, 25 square feet. 2,500, 23 to 2,500 square feet. It's a pretty big house. 5 huge bedrooms. Nice house here in Oklahoma City. We're here to do refrigerator removal for one of our clients. So yeah. So this fridge so far is not showing me any love inside. Alright, once I get this job knocked out, peace out guys.